Michael, will you please read our I can statement for today?
I can make connections to make text in my own life by noticing similarities and differences in culture.
Thank you.
I can make connections between a text in my own life by noticing similarities and differences in culture.
Yesterday, we read the book Mama Elizabeth. Who can give me a quick retell or summary of this book? Yenisel?
So first that the girl had to take care of the little brother because her mom had to take care of the little baby, and then so she thought it was harder taking care of him because he bothered too much, and then when she wanted to get water she couldn't, and then she left the baby in the floor with the little blanket, and she went to get water and she couldn't find him, and then he was walking, and she put him walking with like a towel beside that.
All right. So that's a good retell of the story and what happened in the text. But today we're going to be spending our reading time talking about the similarities and differences in our cultures. Who can remember what that word cultures means? Think for a second about what culture means. We're going to compare Elizabeth's culture to our own culture. Turn and tell a partner what you think the word culture means.
I think the word culture means
Jordan Bell, can you share with us your definition of culture? On the board, I have a quote. I had this quote up when I first read Mama Elizabeth, and some of you noticed it, but some of you did not. Today, I want to talk about it. It says, "We are more alike, my friends, than we are unalike." This quote from Maya Angelou matches what I want to teach you today about our cultures and the way that we treat others. On your paper, please look at it from responsibility. You already have thought about what your chores are and what the chores of the Maasai people are. On your other page, you have a T-chart to compare what things are similar between our cultures and what things are different. Jordan said the clothes we wear, the food we eat, the things that we do. I want you to compare Elizabeth's culture, the culture of the Maasai people, to your culture. You and your partner will work together to come up with ideas of things that are similar between our cultures and things that are different. I want to see at least 2 things that are different and at least 2 things that are similar. You may begin your work. Girls, I like that you're talking about it before you write it, so that you and your partner are on the same page.
I think that like I think the culture is different because culture like when they hold they like and stuff like that. I think that we hold it like this, and then let's go next. We have different clothes. We have different clothes and shoes and food. Alright, so this is what I see. So I said like when they hold like they held
Great. I love seeing that some of you are using the bulleted list that we talked about. You don't have to do a complete sentence, you're just getting your ideas down.
Similar is drink water. And the difference is that we don't I mean, duh. Put that. We're both using living duh. The second one was you have clothes to wear no. And they
Are you remembering what she said about the shoes with the tire? Yeah.
So what you know? Thank you.
Let's take about 2 minutes to wrap up our ideas.
Another thing that was the one that we both have
Nice. Yeah, they're using what we learned. Sometimes. So sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't always. But yeah, that could be something that's different, right? We always, yeah. Yeah, we love to see what you come up with on that. We should be able to find some things that are the same.
Miss Hoya tried to
Okay. Absolutely, those are good ideas.
And the next one is they do Georgia.
Final minute, record your ideas. Oh, let me look back to the text. It was called a conga. C-A-N-G-A. The wrap that she used is called a conga. K-A-N-G-A. Yeah.
But when they
Like a little bag in the kind of thing.
but when they said that this was
I want you to talk about these kinds of things in your group. You can laugh. You can have that.
How do you spell it?
You just have a curl.
They got products on
Andos, talk to your groups about this.
A-N-G-A. How do you spell that? Around. Okay, so that's this is
Look your partner in the eye and tell them thank you for working with you and sharing ideas. And track me. Our goal today was to make connections between a text and your own life by noticing similarities and differences in cultures. How many of you were able to say that you can do that now? Melanie, will you share an example? Speak audibly of something that's similar or different between our cultures.
Something that is similar is when both one's babies both have clothes and chores.
Great. Omar, could you hear her? Okay. She said that we both had babies and that we both have chores. Like those are things that are similar in our cultures. They have to do chores. We have to do chores. They have babies. We have babies in our culture too. So those are the things that are the same. Jay, could you share a difference in our cultures between how we live and how the Maasai people live?
Yeah, we have different laws than them because they might have like young people that they cannot be like in school.
Right. What did you think was easier? I want you to just think about this question. Was it easier to find things that were the same or things that were different? Think about it. I want to encourage you to really begin noticing how things are similar. Track me. Pencils down. I want you to begin noticing things that are similar between your culture and our own. A lot of you have different cultures as well. You've shared with me some things that you do in your house that are different than what I do in my own. Some of you have backgrounds from Honduras, Guatemala, from Mexico, and you bring those traditions and cultures with you here to the United States. But one thing that I believe from this quote, we are more alike than we are unalike.
Yeah.
And when I looked at your work today, I noticed that some of those lists on the similarities are a bit longer than the list of differences. Pay attention in your reading today and see if you can find any similarities and differences in cultures that you notice in your book. When you get back to your seat, start independent reading. So. Melanie's moving quickly. Unicel's moving responsibly. Smart. Someone left a whiteboard. Someone left a paper.
I'll get it.
Helen's reading a book.